Davido performs at the Billionaire birthday party that went down in Marbella, Spain. Okay, guys, Davido performed at the 50th birthday of the managing director of Transcorp Hotel that went down in Spain. Davido, after his tour, the guy has just been moving smoothly, performing at almost all the whole Billionaire celebration. Davido has built a very fantastic connection. Just some few weeks ago, he performed for Femi Otedola in the birthday party that went down in Paris. Just 2 days ago, he performed at the UBA group where Elumelu was present at the UBA group party celebration that went down in New York. And today, he's performing at the 50th birthday celebration of Mrs. Dokpe, one of the managing director of Transcorp Hotel in Abuja. Elumelu was also present. Davido has built a fantastic connection, performing in Billionaires party, and he has been cashing out massively. Davido don't need to do tour or sell out arenas. He's performing low-key in Billionaires party where he has been paid huge amount of money to perform. Davido was present where he gave an astonishing performance and just shared with these billionaires. Elumelu was also present as the whole party went down. Drop a comment below to think about it, like and share, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel.
So this sunshine is plenty. When I say OBO, he says plenty. OBO is plenty.
I'm on a